Open your browser and go to amazon.com. Search for the product you want. I want headphones. Click it here. Click on the product you want to share. Now you have two options to copy a link. The first one, click it here. Here you can see copy link. As you can see here, link copied. Now you can share it with anyone. Here you can see this is the link of the product. The second method is that go to the address bar and copy the entire link. It starts from HTTPS. Right click and copy the URL or link. Now you can share it with anyone via WhatsApp, messages or email. Here you can see this is the product link and this is also the product link. This one I got from the method 1 and this one I got from the method 2. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.